up? We're in our lift right now. We're going to the beach. Beach. First, we're making a couple pit stops. Probably gonna go to Target. I want to see if I get a nice coffee or something from somewhere. I don't know. I don't really need it, but I want it. So we're gonna go to Target, get some snacks. Like, what are you gonna get again?
I have no idea.
We're gonna get Doritos for our friends. Hot Cheetos. Yeah, oh, and a blanket. We need a beach blanket. The goal for today is to get a tan. Look, literally, I just want a tan line. Hence why I'm wearing the cute little halter top. I'll give y'all a fit check later. But are you excited, Joe?
Yeah, I am. I'm looking forward to being on the beach.
Oh.
Especially in this heat. Oh,
yeah.
It's...
I'm right here. Some cool new people. Say hi. Introduce yourself.
My name is Dinah. I'm from Queens.
Period. Well, y'all already know this ugly fuck turd. This is Ethan. Say hey.
Right.
And then this is Joe. Y'all already know my bookie wookie. Going down on some pepperoni.
Yes.
And then it's me, it's the queen. There's gonna be a lot more people coming later on. And then look, this it's like so packed out. The last time I came to Rockwood Beach, it wasn't this packed.
Yeah.
Last time I came, it wasn't. Yeah, we got a cool little setup here. Super cute.
So good.
Yeah. We'll be back when we do our little
Okay, don't
festive.
even look at the beach. Alright, let me go to this house so I don't get attacked by seagulls.
I'm excited. Say hey to the vlog, guys.
There are human eating sharks in this water.
No, there's not. Don't say that.
So cold.
Okay. It takes me a while to get in the water.
That's cold.
It takes me a minute. I have to feel it. Let it touch my toes.
Can you record me?
Yes.
It's facing me. Well, no, it's not facing me. It's facing you.
Yeah. Yeah, I like this.
We're just waiting.
Yeah, it's coming, girl.
That's gonna be so cold. Okay, I'm okay with this. This is calm.
Hello.
So how deep are we getting?
However much we get. Wait, it's recording? Oh, it is. It is. Oh, you're bugging down. I can't go that far.
It's too cold. It's freezing in here.
Got it. I'm not getting in that.
And then
I know you just gotta dive in, but like I can't.
okay, y'all, we should do it once. Just once, Joe. Come on.
I'm not getting anything my clothes. What the hell? My clothes.
Okay, we're gonna get in a little bit deep. Just a little.
He just jumped in there.
Wayne, look at Wayne, y'all. He just jumped in and look at him.
It's so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold.
All right, come on, Johanna. We could get in a little bit deeper. Woo! It's cold as It's cold as fuck.
You can't get in no deeper?
I'm gonna get in deeper. I'm gonna get in a little bit deeper.
I can't catch.
I think that's enough for me. Wait. Wait. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Oh, my pants. My pants.
Okay, get
My
back.
pants.
Get back. Get back.
Wait, I can get back.
Get back. Your pants is gonna get flooded.
In the rail and the mountain ride. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual. You feel lands within you, and you won't revenge.